Many long-term disability claims involve chronic conditions that can disable a person from working, such as a thyroid disorder. The thyroid is a small but vital gland that regulates many metabolic processes throughout the body. When it malfunctions, the resulting hormonal imbalances can lead to a wide range of debilitating symptoms that make working impossible. Hi, my name is Leah Small, a partner here at CCK Law, a nationally leading public interest law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Today, I'll be discussing how thyroid disorders can impact your ability to work, the challenges of filing an LTD claim for these conditions, and what you can do to strengthen your case for benefits. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Thyroid disorders result from the thyroid producing too many or too few hormones. The two most common issues are hypothyroidism, or an underactive thyroid, which can cause symptoms such as chronic fatigue, sensitivity to cold, muscle weakness, depression, weight gain, and mental fogginess. This condition is often caused by Hashimoto's thyroiditis. The other one that's very common is hyperthyroidism, or an overactive thyroid. This can cause symptoms such as rapid or irregular heart rates, excessive sweating, muscle weakness, tremors, anxiety, irritability, or dramatic weight loss. This can often be caused by Graves' disease. Thyroid cancer is also a significant condition that may qualify you for LTD benefits. It's important to keep in mind that even when treated, not everyone responds well to medication, and ongoing symptoms and complications can still prevent them from working. When submitting an LTD claim for a thyroid disorder, as always, it's important to remember that insurers focus on how a condition impacts a person's ability to perform their job duties, not just the diagnosis by itself. Your LTD policy will outline the definition of disability you must meet in order to receive benefits. It may be an own occupation definition, where you must be incapable of performing the duties of the job you were doing at the time you became disabled, or an any occupation definition, where you must be incapable of performing the duties of any job whatsoever. It's important when submitting an LTD claim to include objective medical documentation where possible. This can include lab tests such as levels of TSH, free T4 and T3, as well as others that document any hormonal imbalance you have. You can also consider including objective evidence such as imaging tests, especially for conditions like thyroid nodules or cancer. You also want to include evidence of any related complications. For example, if you have cardiac issues, peripheral neuropathy, or mood disorders as a result of your thyroid condition, you want to include documentation relating to those. You should also include narrative reports from your treating physician with your claim to document how your symptoms impact your level of function. In addition, personal and witness statements detailing how your condition impacts your ability to function can also be important for an LTD claim. There are several challenges that an LTD claimant with a thyroid disorder may face, though. The insurer may argue that the condition is manageable, and so a claimant must demonstrate that their symptoms persist despite treatment. The insurance company may also only focus on a single diagnosis instead of all of the other disabling issues that are caused by the claimant's thyroid disorder. In addition, even if your claim is initially approved, the applicable definition of disability may change at some point during the claim, where the own occupation definition transitions into an any occupation definition. The insurer will reevaluate the claim at that point and may determine that your condition is not severe enough to render you disabled under the stricter definition. Finally, as with all LTD claims, claimants may be challenged if there's simply insufficient documentation of their symptoms and how they disable them. In order to strengthen your claim for LTD benefits, there are several things you can do. You can potentially see a specialist who can provide an outside opinion about your condition and resulting impairments. You can ensure comprehensive medical records, including doctor's notes on your symptoms or treatment side effects, are included with the claim. You can maintain a symptom journal documenting the symptoms you experience on a day-to-day basis and how they affect you. You can also make sure to follow all treatment recommendations, as failure to do so can lead to a claim denial. In addition, you can also consider obtaining testing like a functional capacity evaluation to objectively demonstrate your level of physical impairment. And as always, you can contact a long-term disability attorney for help, especially if your initial claim was denied and you need to appeal. Managing thyroid disorders while trying to maintain employment is a significant struggle for many, and dealing with an LTD claim can add immense stress. If you have a thyroid disorder and are unable to work, understanding your rights and options under your LTD policy is important. If you need help with your long-term disability claim or appeal, then CCK Law may be able to help. You can reach out to us anytime online or by phone for a free case evaluation. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Take care.